I sure wish I could sing because I'd be singing. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Wish I could sing. It's a cold, chilly day here in the house, and it's the perfect day to decorate. So what I think I'm gonna do is take you adjacent to the kitchen, and we're gonna decorate the table over there. I've moved some furniture around, so we're gonna decorate that piece, and then in preparation for next week, because we'll be in the dining room. You guys, here's a little sneak peek at the family room. I love the way the house looks so much. This may be my favorite Christmas ever. Give you a little sneak peek. More on this later. This is what we worked on yesterday, and as I sat down last night admiring it, I went, oh, there's a problem. And my husband said, what is it? I said, just stare at it. You'll figure it out. He goes, I see it. One side's twinkling, the other side is not. How could I have not noticed that yesterday? I crack myself up because sometimes I'm in such a rush to get a video done so I can get it edited and out to you that I don't stand back and look at the design as a whole. So last night I was just cracking up at myself like, how many of your subscribers noticed that? How many? Alrighty, this is where we're working today. I previously had 2 faux silk cream curtains right here that went from the rod to the floor. And I just was not feeling it. I didn't like it, so I removed those. And then I had these little curtain valances. I found those on Amazon, and they were in my past house on my 2 cute little glass French country doors that led to the pantry. And I had one on each door, which was adorable. And I thought, bingo, those will go perfect right there. So I brought those in and hung them. And then I had my green Amazon cabinet right here that's beautiful, but I moved it to the dining room. And then I brought this in from my bedroom to pull in a more farmhouse look and feel and to lighten and brighten the space. So that's what we're working with today, but let's add some Christmas touches. Okay, to start, I have this beautiful wreath. I got this at Walmart. The ribbon I added, and I just kind of weaved it through the wreath. And I'm gonna hang that in the center of the window. So up here we've got the curtains. Look, all the leaves are starting to come off the trees. It was so beautiful a week ago with all the bright, vibrant colors. And yeah, winter's coming. In any case, I hung a little nail right there. I keep it there year round, and I change out my wreaths for the season. So I can always hang a wreath there seasonally. So let's hang that ornament wreath. Let's hang it.
We are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow.
And this is how it looks.
Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling.
Okay, so I have talked about this before, how I like to elevate my lamps. So if I have a shorter lamp, I can simply take a pedestal. Now, if I'm going to put 2 lamps on either side, I can just use a little pedestal stand, cake stand, whatever you have, to elevate your lamps. It gives the space a grander look when you have a larger lamp. So let's place the lamps. Okay, next I have these 2 beautiful lamps, and whenever I use these in my displays, I always get tons of questions, and people think they're MACKENZIE-CHILDS, but they're not. I actually got these at Home Goods years and years and years ago, and I just love them. I bring them out every Christmas. but they're super cute. I love the detail right here, and I love how it's sort of fluted right here. And of course the shade, hello, love. I'm going to place each lamp on each pedestal. I love how it draws your eyes up, and like I said, I think it makes it look grander as opposed to sitting low. Let me show you. Boring, boring. I just love it up high. So that's what it looks like. And now I want to add some festive greenery. Stay tuned. So to be honest with you, Home Goods is my favorite store to go to for the holiday decor. Probably more so than Hobby Lobby, just because I think you can find different items that not everybody else has. So anyway, I found these years ago, and all I did was tie on a cute little Harlequin ribbon to each of them. And I'm gonna set these beside the lamps. By the way, I love these because they're glittery. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but they have a gold glittered effect. It almost looks like, you know, if you saw snow come down and the snow kind of was melting and they were glistening in the sun. That's what it reminds me of. Probably can't pick it up on camera, but they're beautiful. And that's how it looks so far. Sorry for all the racket outside. Our yard guys just showed up and they are zip zapping back and forth on the mowers, so sorry. Next, I bought this on Amazon. It comes in a set of 2, but I'm only gonna use one of them right now. And by the way, when you get them from Amazon, they come with the little feet off. They screw right in. You just take them right out of the little bag, screw them on, and you have yourself a really cute farmhouse wood pedestal. Highly recommend. And I'm gonna set that right there. Right in the center. So I don't know about all of you, but nothing says Christmas to me than having some nutcrackers as a part of some of your displays. So I'm gonna be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nutcrackers to this display. By the way, you guys, if you like nutcrackers like I do, but you don't like the price of them when you go to some stores, I've seen these for $29, $39, $49 and up. I've even seen some for $69 that are this size. My goodness, that lawnmower, sorry. Anyway, go to Ross. I got all of these at Ross. This was $12.99. This one was $14.99. This one right here, $9.99. So you can't beat the price at Ross. I love his boots. See, I think that looks really cute. And I normally would probably take a little bit of greenery and weave some fairy lights in between the little legs and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that because I've got a lot of greenery going on with lots of lights. and I don't want it to look like a disco party, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna leave this as is. I think it's cute. It's across from the kitchen. And now we're gonna work down below this table. So down below, I'm gonna show you how to make this look really cute without all that wood showing, or if you have drywall, without all the drywall showing. Here's how I'm gonna disguise it. All right, so to break up all the wood underneath, and like I said, if you have drywall and you wanna break it up a little, get yourself a wall embellishment like this. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I don't remember what the price of it was, but this is gonna be used as a backdrop. That's it. Just a decorative detail on the bottom of this table. So you see down below, it just breaks up all the wood. It makes for a very nice architectural accent is what I'm gonna call it. And now we can gather items and place them around it, and that just acts as a backdrop. Okay, now down below, I have this sign that says, "Together we make a family." And then I have a plate, a big platter. I call it my platter holder because normally I put a platter in here, but it just so happens that this fits nicely on here. I love the way it looks. And I'm just gonna put that down in the corner, angled ever so slightly. It's getting pretty humorous over here. I've got the lawn guys being super loud, and now the dogs are barking. Add insult to injury. Anyway, I hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna bring in these two plates because they tie in nicely with the nutcrackers. We're gonna put that in the center down below. It's like all the colors kind of tie into one another. And now I'm going to add this. Bunch of little presents. I think the colors all mesh real well together. And I'm gonna place that right there. See, I think it turned out really cute here across from the kitchen. And it's very cozy, it's very Christmassy, and I think very farmhousey. And there's one more thing I'd like to point out that I added. I added that huge lantern, and then I put a cage lamp on the inside of it to kind of mimic a lantern. And I just keep that on 24/7. So at night, if we have to get up, get a glass of water, this is on right there in that little corner, and I think it'll be cute. So I really am happy with the way that turned out. And also too, those are my Walmart plates. And I just put them there because I wanted to tie all the buffalo check with the black and white there. So and it has the gold trim around the edges, so I think it looks darling. some people think these plates are rather wild with the design of it, but keep in mind when you place another pattern on top of it, the back plate acts as the backdrop, and then it's like, bam! Doesn't that look good for the holiday season? Love. Here's another plate. It really elevates the design of the plate you're putting on top, and again, the back plate acts more or less like a backdrop. So I highly, highly recommend these Better Homes and Gardens time and table plates. This cute valance, these are two. I found those on Amazon. What I love is the little detail at the bottom. I'm going to take you down and show you up close. So you see the material is really nice, and then at the bottom you've got this cute detailing which gives it a really darling look for any kitchen. I just love it. So here's another darling idea for any kitchen. If you have the space, get yourself a cute little dress form and find a cute apron for whatever season you're in, and throw an apron on the dress form, and it really acts as a really cute detail in any space. When people come over, I always get questions on this. Where did you get the dress form? And where did you get that adorable apron? Amazon. I got the apron on Amazon, and it's darling. I'm gonna link everything below for you. And then I got these cute wood pedestals from Amazon. These are darling to use through the seasons. You can turn it and then almost use it as a two-tier tray. You could display something here, display something up top. I've used these for candles where I put candles and then I put greenery for the seasons. I've even used river rock during the summer months. It looks darling, mixed with LED flameless flickering candles. And yeah, you can use these in any number of ways, but pedestals are always great to use for your decor through the season. So I highly recommend these. They're darling. Quick sneak peek over here, because we're going to be working on this next week as well. These curtains right here, those are all going bye-bye, and I'm going to be bringing in the buffalo check curtains that I purchased from Amazon. That will wrap up my Friday video. I hope I was able to give you some ideas that you may be able to use in your decor this Christmas. So have a fabulous weekend, everyone. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this week, and I will see you on Wednesday for a very special collaboration. You won't want to miss it. See you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.